So behind me, we have another one of our certified pre-owned inventory units. This van is a 2018 mid-roof due model, and it comes with Quigley 4x4. On the roof, there are roof rails with a solar panel that helps trickle charge your battery system, and then it comes with the passenger side overhead work light and the Thule hideaway awning. All right, let's take a look at the back of the van. So at the back of the van here, we have the aluminous rear door ladder rack, which has steps up to the van that avoid the tire, and then also the spare Toyo all-terrain tire. And then up top, we have the rear overhead work light, and then right here we have the backwoods rear step bumper. So this being a due model, it utilizes the Murphy bed system. So this is the full-size platform, but it does have a hinge right here. If you only need the single and you would like to be able to walk through the van, this piece folds back and clamps onto here. And then the whole entire system folds up against the wall, or it's just hooked up to the rail, so it can be completely removed if you do want to utilize your van just as a cargo van. The power system in this van is the AGM power system. It's 300 amp hours of power, and it has a 2000 watt inverter, so you can run all of your outlets throughout the van. So up top, you have switches for your interior and exterior lighting, your water pump, your electric system, and then there's readings for your solar power intake, and then your battery charge, as well as a carbon monoxide detector on the inside of the van. So this van is a mid-roof. It stands roughly 5'8" on the inside, and then it also utilizes these hanging cabinets. Right now it has two set up, but you can expand that storage if you would like to add additional hanging cabinets. So this van utilizes what we call the skeleton system. So as you can see, it kind of creates like a rib cage inside the van. There's all these T-track points where you can tie down, you can mount bikes, you can add kitchen modules right here. Whatever you need to tie down or fix to the van, you can utilize this tracking system throughout. This van does have the max fan air vent, which you can run off of your AGM power system, or it has the roof air conditioning, which this being the AGM power system, you would have to plug into shore power to do that. So this is the S-Bar furnace, which actually runs off of your van's fuel tank. So it utilizes the gas to power the furnace. One nice thing about it is it does cut off if you get too low on fuel, so you won't get stranded without gas to get to the nearest gas station. So this van has the custom cat skin leather, and it also has the swivel passenger seat, which is just great for opening up the living space of the van. And then as you can see above me is the TV, which is a great option for those of you that do like to watch TV on your camping trips. Maybe there's a sporting event you want to catch, or you're just going to watch The Office for the 500th time. Whatever, it's just a great option for you. So this van is available for purchase. If you're interested in this van or you just want to learn more information about it, there's a link in the description below. And if you want to get in contact with one of our gurus to inquire about the van, or if you have questions, there's a link to the contact page and they will get you taken care of. Another great thing about Van Do It is we offer in-house financing and we take trade-ins. So you can talk to our team about any kind of financing option that works best for you. And also, if you're replacing your car with this van, or you have an RV that you want to trade in, or you have art or collectibles or anything like that, we will take it on trade-in to help make getting the van easier for you.